Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add favicon in Wix. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open your browser and search for wix.com. And now what you need to do is to just go ahead and sign in your account. So now, just go ahead and click on this drop down arrow right here. Click on go to my sites. Okay. So now just go ahead and select the site that you want to add the favicon and click on select and edit site, and you should be redirected in this page. Okay. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the settings section right here at the left side of your screen. Now click on website settings. Now you want to scroll down until you see the favicon section. Okay, so as you can see, a favicon is a small icon next to your site title. So to add that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and have the premium plan on Wix so that you can customize your favicon. Okay, so if you have the premium account, you should see the plus or add favicon button right here, and then just go ahead and click on that and choose the image that you want. Okay, so once you've done that, you should just go ahead and click on the save button, and that is how you add favicon on your Wix. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.